Alright, I got the brew kettle out here. I'm going to use Oxi Clean to get all the beer stone off. You can see it on the side here. I never wash it with soap. We'll give it a good soaking. We'll heat the water up. We'll get it in here. And we'll put the Oxi Clean in here and we'll let it soak for a couple hours, maybe overnight. Let's see if if we can pick that up. And you can see all that dirt. You don't want to scrub that by hand. Take it forever. So all we'll do is we'll get that going. Let's see if the sun. Hope I can get the same thing at the end when we're done to show how clean this kettle can actually come. And I brew in it like this. This will be, now it's time to do it. It's time to passivate it. So we'll show you how clean it comes when we're done. Main thing is to get it full with water and get the chemicals going. Alright, I put in 2 heaping spoonfuls of the Oxi Clean and got the water up to like 130 degrees. Now I'll probably let this sit overnight maybe, and then we'll come in here with a light scrubber and clean it out and rinse the heck out of it, rinse it out. We'll show you how we passivate it by using some star sand, and she'll look nice and clean. Hopefully the before and after photos will show up nice here. I'll do the same thing, make sure the kettle's in the sun. It's the next morning, I don't know, 14 hours in or whatever, and I got the Oxi Clean in here. We're going to drain the kettle. Let's see if we get you dizzy there. That's what it looks like the next morning. It's all foamy. Zoom in there. You can see my finger in there. How you doing? So we're just going to drain it out here on the ground. And then we're going to take just a pad that you wash your dishes with or your pans. Then we're going to wash the kettle with that. And then we'll passivate it with some of the star sand. We'll show you what that looks like. So we'll just let this drain. There's no sense actually showing that. A little elbow grease after the Oxi Clean. And down at the lower ridge it left a stain. It just wouldn't get it. It was pretty thick. Don't worry about it. Once you put your star sand in there in almost a pure format, it's very acidy on the hands, everything. You'll end up with a nice clean kettle. So that's part of the passivation, where you'll take this acid bath and you'll keep wiping it on the side of the kettle here every 20 minutes or so, letting it dry there naturally. It's not pure star sand, but she's got a lot of unmixed. So it's pretty acidy. Even on my fingers I could feel it. So we'll let that dry out. Come back and wipe it again in 20 minutes or so. Just like this. Camera might be picking up how clean it is already, but we'll get an after shot for sure. That was done in the sun, which was done like that. I don't know, an angle like that or something. So we'll see what that's like when I wipe it out. She's looking good though, looking clean as a whistle. Why wouldn't it? Basically I see a spot I missed, but basically that's it. She's nice and clean. I think the sun will pick that up in the sunshine. Came clean, passivated, nice. So, ready for another brew. It's going to be a good brew. I'm going to do, more than likely my next brew is going to be a lemon wheat. More than likely a lemon wheat. Why wouldn't it be? We did 8 naked lemons. And we did 6 naked lemons. So maybe we'll do 7 naked lemons, something like that. So that'll be my next brew for sure. I'm just waiting to get some yeast and stuff. No rush. I got stuff to keg yet. Why wouldn't I?